Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Apple iPhone 16 Plus. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in between the cable you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. It is SIM tray able to insert a nano SIM card, and let's start with that. Okay, the contacts, they are on top. Place it like this. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, by the way, you can add also another SIM card with an eSIM profile. So ask your provider if you want to have one. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.